what's up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So dear fans, today in this video we are talking about Bull Run 2024. This project have a massive potential inside and it have a lot of feature. I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, so don't skip any part of this video. Before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed an official link in my video description. You simply click on it and will come here. You can join this amazing platform. So Bull Run 2024, harnessing the crypto bulls for mimetic revolutions in Web3, where bullish demand meets meme culture in the crypto bull run of 2024. So dear fans, this project is already audited, and here you can also check out its certificate, and here I have placed link in my video description, so you can also check out and visit cyberscope.io, and here you can also check out all information about the audit report of Bull Run 2024. So here you can also check out the amazing thing. Its trusted score is 81%. Here you can also check, so it have a very low risk and you can easily invest in this project and you can earn a lot of profit here as well. So here you can also check out the security percentage 95% as well. You can also check out all audit report and information here as well. So dear friends, you can also check out the KYC and AMA, and its pre-sale will be live very soon on Pink Sale. Then you will be able to participate on Pink Sale and buy this amazing token right there, and you can also earn a lot of profit when you will sold out it here. So here we can also learn more information about Bull Run 2024. So welcome to Bull Run 2024, a cutting-edge crypto meme project poised to redefine the landscape of humor and creativity in the crypto space as well. So in anticipation of the upcoming 2024 crypto bull run, Bull Run 2024 is more than just a meme project. It's a culture phenomenon blending the most bullish concepts in the crypto industry with the spirits of meme culture and revolutions Web3 as well. So dear friends, at Bull Run 2024, we believe that lottery is a universal law, and in the world of cryptocurrencies there is no reason why it can be the catalyst for a movement. So this project is dedicated to capturing the essence of the crypto bull run in a unique and humorous way, transcending traditional boundaries and creating space where the community can come together to share in the excitement of the 2024 crypto surge as well. So with the perfect amalgamations of bullish demand and innovation, meme concept, Bull Run 2024 is said to be at the forefront of the meme cultures and riding the wave of the crypto revolutions. And I also recommended to all my community, all my friends who must be join this exhilarating journey, as they have the way for a new era of lottery creativity and culture expressions in the thrilling bull run of 2024. So get ready to embrace the bull, embrace the meme, and embrace the futures with Bull Run 2024 as well. So here we can also learn more about its ecosystem, embark on a thrilling journey to the heart of Bull Run 2024, a dynamic universe where innovative community and creativity courage to fuel the flames of crypto revolutions. So behind being a mere digital space, this ecosystem is a vibrant universe designed to redefine your interactions with the crypto world as well. So here we can also check out about main features of this project, like that token buyback and burn feature as well. Bull Run 2024 token rewards, detailed meme contents and challenges are also included, and here we can also learn about meme royalty program and make a lot of profit as well. You can also participate live meme events and shows, and you can get a lot of profit as well and get rewards. So exclusive NFT for top memes as well. So you can also check out its partnership and collaborations with the famous and a strong project as well, and educational resources are also available. And you can also check out the bullish mechanism shops here, and you can also showcase your sport for Bull Run 2024 in the physical world as well. So here you can also check out the project is user friendly meme creations tool, and unleash your creativity with our initiative meme creations tool and templates as well. And now you can also interactive community platform and learn more information here, and web portal and mobile app will also be available for you to use your own mobile phone as well. So here we can also learn more about its token mix. So the Bull Run 2024 token introduced a fixed supply of 1 billion, so ensuring stability without the ability to mint new tokens. So to foster a broad of exclusive distributions, so they have allocated 60% to a pre-sale, and additionally 18% is designed for burn liquidity and bolstering the overall security of the token forever as well. So a static of 5% is set aside for centralized exchange listing, enhancing accessibility with a 30-day lock for heightened security. Another 5% is earmarked for marketing promotion responsibility growth, also with a 30-day lock as well. So furthermore, 12% is dedicated to ecosystem development, emphasizing a meticulous and thoughtful approach with a 60-day lock. Crucially, no tokens are allocated to the team underlying or dedicated approach to communities and investor interest as well. So they have underwhelming commitment to the transparency and security through audit, KYC, and MA badge, working harmoniously to safeguard the integrity of the Bull Run 2024 project as well. So here you can also check out once again the distributions of the token, like that 60% for pre-sale, 18% for liquidity, 5% for centralized listing, 5% for marketing, and 5% for ecosystem as well. Oh, here you can also check out its contract address as well. Now here we can also learn more information about token. The token name is Bull Run 2024 and the token symbol is Bull Run. Maximum supply, here you can also check out the mention, and you can also check out 0% tax on buy and sell, and the mint authority is revoked, and blockchain is Solana as well. So here we can also check out its amazing roadmap, that how the things are going on. So phase 1 is consist of developing websites as well, social media's links as well. In phase 2, pre-sale and marketing are included. In phase 3, token sphere launch and defense. In phase 3, they have included the marketing rush as well and promote the project as well. In phase 5, ecosystem development wide implementations of token burning as well as economic model adjustment and community rewards, meme contests and challenges, meme royalty program, and exclusive NFT for top memes, and many more things are. So in phase 6, in ecosystem development, to partnership and collaborations with chaos with the YouTubers and influencers and many more as well, and educational resources and bullish merchandise, shops, user friendly meme creations tools, and interactive community platforms and web port, mobile app, and update the roadmap with the long term visions are included in phase 6 as well. So here we can also check out its partner detail, like that Pixel, DexView, Third Web, App.ai, Radium, Dex, Toolkit, Market Cap, Jaco, and CNC Crypto, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, and Montauk. So all the projects are very stronger. They are supporting and partner with this amazing project. So this project is very important for you. Here we can also check out the frequently asked question defense. You can get your answer here. If you have any other question, you can make comments and I will reply to all of you. So if you want to be get support, you can reach out through email as well. I also recommend it to all of you. So before investing in this project, do your own research and also download its white paper, and you can read more information and learn about this project. I also recommend it to all of you must be join its Telegram to get latest news and update related to this major project, and follow them on their social media like their Twitter to get latest news and updates. Here you can also check out all information like that about cyberscope. Its audit already report there I have show you. You can also check more information as well. So dear fans, this project have a massive potential inside, and it have a lot of features and amazing things inside. So I also recommend it to all of you, all my friends, all my family. So once its pre-sale will be live, you must be participate there and must be buy Bull Run 2024. It can really help you make a lot of profit, and it can really help you to make millionaires in future. I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.